Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use the Kraken Pro app. First, download the Kraken Pro app from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to either create a new account or log in using your existing Kraken credentials. Remember to complete the identity verification process, which typically takes only a few minutes, to unlock all trading functionalities. Finally, fund your account with one of the many supported deposit methods, like bank transfers or cryptocurrency deposits. The Kraken Pro app offers an intuitive interface designed for efficient trading. From the dashboard, you can easily view real-time market data and your portfolio performance. To place a trade, select your desired trading pair from over 250 available options. You can then choose between market, limit, or stop-loss order types, depending on your strategy. Simply enter the amount you wish to trade and confirm your order. Kraken Pro provides powerful tools for experienced traders. Dive into advanced charting features, offering multiple indicators and timeframes for thorough market analysis. You can also set up custom price alerts to stay informed about significant market movements, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. For those seeking higher potential returns, margin trading is available with up to 5 times leverage. Easily review your complete order history and open positions at any time. Security is paramount when managing your assets. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken Pro account for an extra layer of protection. Regularly review your account activity to quickly identify any suspicious actions. Should you have any questions, the Comprehensive Help Center is readily available with answers to common queries. For more personalized assistance, customer support is accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.